Hi guys, it's me Madison. Today I will be showing you how to make how to make a Christmas card because it's getting very close to Christmas. So you're gonna definitely need a card. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a Christmas card. So the first thing that you're gonna want, not that, is a piece of paper and cut it in half. I already did that. It can be any paper. I just decided to have line paper. Oh wait, is this upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Sorry. I don't want it to be upside down. Alright. Let's go back a teeny bit. And you're gonna want some crayons. And some scissors. So the first thing that you're going to want to do to your piece of paper is fold it in half, like this. And you're going to want your scissors to see the paper, so you could cut off the extras. Like that, to make sure it's even. Alright, open it up. Make sure it's even on both sides. No extras allowed. No extras allowed, so. Once you make it like that, got it? What kind of crayons do I want? And then whoever you're sending it to, I think I should get this Christmas card to, I don't know. I'm just gonna give it to my sister since she's so nice and kind. So you're gonna want to take one crayon, start to color it. You can use any color crayon you want. Just so it's Christmassy. If you mess up, you can just flip it over to the other side and start over. And if you already flipped it over to the other side and you mess over again, and if you mess up again, just try to fix it into something else. It could be any way you want. It doesn't even have to be Christmassy. It could be the summertime or spring, fall, winter. I drew a little tree. My trees do not look good. There you go. Draw some branches. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a nice house I'm going to use orange, red. Wait, is this red? It's red orange. I want red. Scarlet. Okay, it's good enough. Here's real red. And the other color that I'm gonna use is, what was the color? Wait, huh? Okay. Well, I forgot what I was making. Oh, no. Red and green. Those were the colors. I don't know why I got orange. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Red, orange, and this color. These are the colors I need. I'm going to draw a house in the background. Color in the house. And then you're going to want to draw, well, you're not going to. If you want to draw, you can draw all of the bricks on the house, like me. I'm drawing all of the bricks to the house, so it could look bricky. The brickety rickety. Brick. 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 It's coming together already. Another brick. Another brick. Another brick. From the door. This house is gonna look kinda old. Like it was an old house made long ago. Very old. It's coming together already. Yay! It just started raining. And now it just stopped. It's so crazy. The weather. Alright, back to drawing these blocks. I'm almost done with the blocks. Look at the house so far. Make one brick right there. Another brick. There's only a few more hours until Christmas Eve. No, Christmas Day. If you celebrate Christmas. Once you're done coloring all of the bricks, you can just color them whenever you want, wherever you want. keep making the blocks. There you go. Look at it, it's turning out. Your house can be very new. Your house could even be made out of gold. It could be however you want it to be. This is just my house. Yours doesn't have to look the exact same. It doesn't even have to have a house. It could just be anything. But I wanted to draw a house. So once you're all done drawing, you're going to color in the trees you drew. If you didn't draw any trees, you can just color in whatever you drew. Whatever you probably drew, I know that it definitely looks beautiful. It looks like a real artist did it, like Mona Lisa. And then once you're done, I'm gonna take some green, draw some grass, but it's not gonna look very normal. And I'm gonna color it in very, very lightly. Very lightly, very, very, very lightly. Actually, no, I'm going to color it in hard. Alright, and then when you're done rolling, I'm going to take some white and go all over it to make it look like there's frost on the ground. And I'm going to take a cute light blue. This blue is lighter. Alright, this is the lightest blue I see. I'm just going to rub some of that on the grass too. Done with that. There we go. Now I'm just going to draw some snowflakes falling from the air. It's already been 12 minutes. Alright, there's snowflakes falling from the air. Once you're done, you can open it up and write a sweet note inside for the person that you're making it for. That's it for now. Subscribe to the channel. And if you have Roblox, my username is Miss Madison 7612. Goodbye. Bye, everyone.